With beautiful weather and over 200 parks and fields throughout the city, it's no wonder that Kelowna is home to some of the largest sports leagues across Canada. The city's Slo-pitch league alone has over 200 teams playing each year. Add in tournaments, rentals, and special events, and you'll see that Kelowna's ball diamonds are in high demand. Any given ball field will see over 500 hours of play each year, so proper maintenance is key to maintaining high-quality fields. And players have a part to play by staying off ball diamonds during rainouts or maintenance, making sure you don't mix shale and grass, keeping diamonds smoke-free, and letting us know if you spot any field quality issues. High-quality diamonds with smooth, level infields, free of divots, help to minimize player injury due to bad bounces and unplanned closures for repairs. Keeping them in good shape means the best and safest experience for players. To find out more about ball diamonds and general sports field maintenance, visit kelowna.ca/parks-recreation.